Okay, I'm going to do a quick video here of unboxing a Fender Stratocaster HSS, and I just got this today, so I just want to document what I find when I open this thing up. So here we go. Looks like the box was opened up before. They did say that they set it up at the music shop, so we will see. All right, I'm going to put this thing down and change the camera angle here. She is. Just taking a quick look for any damages. All the plastic is still on. Everything looks pretty good. And actually this was a B stock unit. Apparently it was sent back to Fender and actually given back to the music shop for resale, and I got a pretty good discount on it. So everything looks pretty decent here, and I'm gonna plug it in and probably catch a little video of that plugged into the amp, but it looks pretty beautiful. So far pretty good. Looks like everything is working, and this is the new Strat, the American Pro 2 HSS. Good deal.